This 2006 Chevrolet Avalanche is brought to you by Mac Motors. New engine with 40k miles. Mac Motors offers in-house financing if you meet the requirements. You are also welcome to bring in outside financing from a credit union or bank of your choice. In-house finance requirements. Click on link for details or go to www.macmotorscars.com/finance. We offer extended warranties. We are open Monday through Saturday 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. We are located at 1717 West Division Street, Arlington, Texas 76012. Please call before coming to ensure the availability of the vehicle. So, Don and our Squo team is your chance. Call and come test drive it today. Call anytime for more information. Also, you can get a free Carfax report for every vehicle within seconds when you visit www.macmotorscars.com. Visit us at macmotorscars.com.